So I already started recording our class for today, okay? So before we start, let me try to make our background, a classroom background, right? Okay, look at this. So everyone is seated with their individual seat, right? And then what we are going to do is we will try to have what we call this one, we will try to have a game wherein we will try to recall what was our lesson last time, last Wednesday, specifically last Wednesday. Who would like to answer? I think I will call those who are at the back, right? So that they
That's great.
Hi everyone. Sorry if I was
Yes.
suddenly what do you call this one? I suddenly disappeared from the class. My laptop turned off. It turned off because it was actually being um touched by the dog. Sorry, I'm really sorry about that one. So I will try to open the laptop and then we will start the class, okay? So again, I would like to apologize for uh for being able to disappear suddenly disconnected from the Zoom, okay? So wait a minute. I already prepared the lesson. I already before this one, and then this little dog, uh, it accidentally grabbed the charger. That is why it turned off. The laptop turned off. I'm really sorry about that one. So how many students do we have right now? So uh we will try to check the attendance first. But let me look at this. My laptop is still this is still look at that. It's not yet opening. Really sorry about that. Okay. So as much as I would like to have the class already, look at this. It's all white. I do not know what to do with that. That is why
It
I'm
might
really
be
sorry.
your.
Yeah, I'm really sorry about that one.
Why the camera is bluer?
Hmm? What?
The camera is a bit bluer
Yeah.
because
It
you
is
wanted to make
I
it bluer.
have the blurry background. I have the blurry background. I choose the blurry background earlier.
Oh, maybe something perfect, right?
So that's right. Okay. It's almost there. Look at this. So as soon as I will be able to join the Zoom, then I will have to turn off these. Yeah. I will try to turn off this if you call this one, this the cell phone, okay? Just give me few minutes.
I want to sleep. Bye bye.
You want to sleep? Oh, I'm sorry about that one, Mark. Why? Is it raining in your area?
If I wait, then I'll be bored because I don't do
Oh my,
anything. Just wait.
yeah.
I'm not the
I
patient guy.
know. So you're not patient at all, right? Is that
Yes.
it? Oh my God, I'm
So
sorry
that's why
about
I'm
that
not.
one.
So that's why I'm not one to go to the line. I'll just skip the
Oh,
line.
okay.
Like
But
that.
do you know what? Patience is a virtue, right? It's a virtue. So you need to at least have patience. It's not good that you will get bored easily. You need to consider some things, right? So you need to consider some the reason why it was like that. Okay, wait.
Anyways, I'm going to pretend to sleep while you say it's ready.
Oh, okay. So you're going to pretend that you are going to sleep? Is that it? Okay, wait. Okay. I'm really sorry about that one. I really am
It's
sorry
okay,
about that
Miss.
one. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Again, good evening. Okay. By the way, while we are waiting with my laptop to open, who can still remember the lessons that we had last time? Can you still remember the lessons that we had last time? Huh? Who can still remember? Anyone? Anyone would like to raise their hands and tell the class what was the lesson last time? What do you think?
Linking verbs.
Linking verbs, very good. What else?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Let me go back. Okay, we go.
Verb, linking verbs, and helping verbs.
Okay, I almost.
If this floor is making private,
What? Anyway. Okay, so again, good evening once again. So I will have to open the classroom view so that it would be better, right? Okay, so according to Catherine, the lesson that we had last time was linking verb. What else?
Helping verb.
Helping verb. What else?
Action verb.
Action verb. Very good. When we talk about action verb, what are the verbs that you can still remember that we discussed last time? What are the verbs?
Study.
Study. What else?
Run.
Run. Okay, very good, Josephine. What else?
Hook.
Play. Flip.
Okay, very good, Nicole. What else?
Hook.
Look. Okay, that's good. Very good. What else?
Jump.
Flip.
Jump, sleep. Okay, so many words, right?
Look.
Those words contains or makes an action. So if you do those, if you actually are doing those, you are making an action. Okay. Okay. How about linking verb? When we talk about linking verb, what do we know about linking verb? Can you still remember something about linking verb? Linking verb. What is linking verb? Who can still remember about the lesson regarding linking verb? What is the role of the linking verb in a sentence? It is what? It connects, right? It connects the subject from the predicate. You still remember? It makes us, or it is being used as a chain. You know the chain? Who can tell me what is the chain or what the chain looks like? A chain looks like this. Do you still remember? It looks like this. There are some round or oval shaped metal wherein it connects with each other, right? So that is what the linking verb, the role of the linking verb. Okay, look at this. And then it also acts as an equal sign in the sentence. It also acts as an equal sign in the sentence. And then when we are talking about linking verbs, the subject is not doing anything. Like earlier, when I asked you to give me the different action verbs, those verbs actually makes an action or it is doing something. But when we talk about linking verbs, this in linking verbs, the subject is not doing anything. Okay? The subject is not doing anything. Wherein in action verb, the subject is doing something. So in linking verbs, instead of doing anything, it is like something else in the sentence. So, meaning it doesn't serve as a verb at all, with which we can consider as a word which makes an action. But it tells us that the subject has a word in the predicate that renames a noun or describes an adjective. So in other words, they are equal. So what are the verb forms? The forms of the verb to be. Can you still remember the forms of the verb to be? You can still remember the forms of the verb to be is what else? Been, last time, right? So these are these are actually considered as the linking verb. This is actually considered as a linking verb. Are is actually considered as a linking verb. So is the will, the be, the been, right? Last time we talked about that one. And then being, was, where, are. So these are all considered as linking verbs. So linking verbs are also related to the senses. What are the senses? Can you still remember the senses? The 5 senses? What are the senses? What are the senses? I mean senses. Who can remember the senses? Different senses. When I say nose, what is the senses made by nose? It
Smell.
smells. Very good. What else? The eyes.
See.
What about the eyes?
Sight.
Huh?
See.
What about the eyes? The eyes look, right? It watches or it looks. And then what else? How about the ears? What about the ears?
Here.
Ear, very good. What about the tongue? Tongue. Tongue. What is the role of the tongue?
Teacher, can I get a drink?
Yes, you may go and drink. What about the tongue? Tongue. Like this. It
Face.
very
Hands.
good. It tastes. And then the last one, this one. The hands. What about the hands?
Touch.
Here.
Touch.
Touch. Very good. You are actually trying to touch someone. Okay, so these are the sentences. So these are considered as linking verb. Last time I remember when we talk about the linking verb, a linking verb is not just those verb forms to be, but also the different senses, right? The different senses like tastes, smells, looks, feels, okay, feels or touch, sounds for the hearing, seems, and more. So taste, smells, looks, feels, sounds, seems can be a linking verb also as well as an action verb. Remember last time when we talked about the different senses, we can use it as a linking verb or we can use it as an action verb, right? Can you still remember that one? We can use it as a linking verb if the sentence still can still be logical or it can still make sense or it is a sentence that makes sense wherein we can use the different sentences as a verb if the sentence does not feel like it is logical or it is not right or it does not make sense, right? Remember? So that is what we try to do when we try to identify the different senses and determine whether it is a linking verb, it serves as a linking verb, or it serves as an action verb. Okay, so I think I should rather show you this one so that you will know what I am talking, right? So we will have to deal with this one. Okay, you can see this, right? Can you see this? Can you see the slide? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
very good.
yes.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
Kathy. So these are the meaning or the different definition of linking verbs. So linking verb as an act as an equal sign in the sentence. The equal sign like this. Or in linking verbs, the subject is not doing anything. Instead, it is or is like something else in the sentence. And then linking verbs tells us, yes, Mark. What is it, Mark?
Can you please turn off this immersive view? Because I cannot see
Wait.
the bottom word. The bottom word. I need to screenshot it.
You cannot
And
see?
yes. It's
Okay.
covered by the participants.
Wait. I think like this. How about this one? Can you see it
Good.
now?
Thank you.
It's much better. Okay. So where are we? Linking verb tells us that the subject has a word in the predicate that renames it, or it is actually considered a noun, or describes it, or it is an adjective. In other words, they are equal with what? They are equal. The predicate and the sentence, or the subject and the predicate are equal. Okay. What are the examples of linking verbs? This is what I am telling you. The examples of linking verbs are the forms of the verb to be. What are those? Is, was, were, are, be, being, and been. So these are the common linking verbs. And then it is also related to the different senses, the 5 senses, the tastes, smells, looks, feels, sounds. So these are the 5 senses, as well as the seems, the word seems, and more. So last time, I was able to introduce to you or to give you many examples which deals with an action. It is actually considered as an action verb, but it can also be considered as a linking verb. We can determine those senses as well as the other verbs if it is being used as linking verb if the sentences make sense or it is still logical. And then we can say that the different senses or the different verbs used in the sentence will be considered as an action verb if the sentence doesn't make any sense if we are going to replace it with the different verb to be. Remember last time? Okay. So
Wait, I didn't screenshot their last presentation, that number 2.
come again, Mark?
The example of linking verbs, I need to screenshot it and
Okay,
put it in
wait. I cannot hear you. Wait.
number 2. It is, yeah.
So we will go back to number 2. Is that it?
Yes, that number 2. Hold up, okay.
Yes, we will go back to that one. But first, I will have to... Okay. That is why I cannot hear you. I was not connected. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You don't have a good connection?
Yeah, I was not connected. I think I am having difficulty because I cannot hear you earlier.
It's the Wi-Fi? Earlier, the Wi-Fi is good, right? Or bad, or maybe poor.
Wait. Actually, I cannot hear you for now.
Not again. But anyways,
Yeah.
let's just go to number 3. Where are we meant to? Wait.
Okay,
Huh?
I will go to the slide. So that's this one. Number 1, right? Or number 2?
Here's number 2.
Number 2. This one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Great.
Our question is so long. This takes a lot of moving. Why is it wants screen shooting? Oh, it's screen shoot. Okay, done.
I was disconnected. The Bluetooth also disconnected. Hi.
How many battery on the Bluetooth?
Really sorry about that one. Okay, I would rather okay, this one. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes. Huh?
Yes,
No,
miss.
no.
I get okay. So I was disconnected with you. Okay, look at this. So this is this slide number 2, right? So this is what Mark is telling us earlier. So what was the question about the slide, Mark?
The question about the slide. This slide,
What?
this slide is linking for including the firm is was for
Okay.
linking verbs
Can you
are also related. Linking verbs are also related to the sense.
okay,
They
senses.
look, those, yeah, whatever.
Okay. So what about it? Do you don't understand some of this?
No, I just
Or do you
understand it. I understand.
you understand? So can we
Miss,
go?
can I go to somewhere for a while?
Yes, yes, Nicolas. So can we proceed now? Okay. So this one. So this is a linking verb in action. So we are trying to determine the linking verb in the sentence. So look at this. The sample sentence is, Mr. Childers is the subject. I mean, Mr. Childers is the nicest teacher in the school. Okay? Mr. Childers is the nicest teacher in the school. So if you look at it, the subject is Mr. Childers, right? The subject is Mr. Childers. And then the nicest teacher in the school is what actually is the predicate. So if you look at this, is the linking verb wherein it serves as the connection between the subject and the predicate. Look at this. It actually is it serves as an equal sign between the subject and the predicate. It is as if it looks like subject is equals to predicate. So that is what it uh that is how it works. So that when you look at this, especially if you know the different verb such as the verb forms to be, then you will know exactly easily the linking verb. Linking verb follows the subject, by the way. Linking verb follows the subject. And what follows the linking verb is actually your predicate. Okay? What actually follows the linking verb is your predicate. Another one. Look at this. Okay, this one. So think of the linking verb as an equal sign. So again, the linking verb here is the word is. So it serves as the equal sign. You can actually visualize it like this. Mr. Childers is equals to the nicest teacher in the school. Okay? So therefore, is, which is the linking verb, serves as the equal sign between the subject and the predicate. It is as if it works like subject is equals to predicate. Okay? Here. Mr. Childers is the nicest teacher in the school. So what is Mr. Childers? Mr. Childers is a teacher, wherein teacher is a noun in the predicate that remains the subject. So we call it a predicate nominative. So we will try to learn this one next. But for now, we should be able to identify first the subject, the predicate, as well as the linking verb. Okay? As well as the linking verb. So if you look at this, the predicate, the linking verb is does not make an action. Right? It doesn't make an action. It just serves as the link between the subject and the predicate. Again, so you should try to write it down on your notebook. So there is this important note wherein we should always consider a linking verb have a word in the predicate that links to the subject. The word, okay? The word with which in the predicate it links to the subject. What are those? The word always. Always, okay? Always, a linking verb will always have a word in the predicate that it links to the subject. Okay? So what is that specific word? The specific word is always. Okay, so let's see regarding the sentence. So the trees are beautiful in the fall. The trees are beautiful in the fall. Okay? What is our subject? The trees or trees. And then what is our predicate? Beautiful in the fall. So if you look at this, the word beautiful is considered as an adjective because it describes what the trees looks like. It describes what the trees looks like. So the linking verb in the sentence is actually our word are. So the verb are links an adjective in the predicate with the subject. Okay? The verb are links an adjective in the predicate with the subject. So the subject and the predicate work together. It is actually being linked by the linking verb are. It is being connected by the linking verb are. Okay. Another sentence. The play was exciting. You should be able to look at the different examples. The sentences that was being used as an example. You should be able to know the placement of the different linking verbs. Okay, the placement of the different linking verbs. Okay, may I ask Mark? Mark, what do you notice when you look at the different examples that was being shown earlier? What do you notice? Where was the subject is being placed?
Can you show
As well
me
as
the last slide, the before example, another last example?
Okay, look at this.
The
When you
trees
look
are
at yes.
beautiful in the fall. I can see the linking verbs on are. Look,
Yes.
the trees and the beautiful in the fall. The
So where
words
do we
are linking all them together.
Yes. So where can we see the subject? Is it at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence?
It's always the beginning of the sentence.
Always at the beginning of the sentence. And where can we find the linking verb? Where can we find the linking verb?
Linking verb is a word that link the subject and the predicate and some predicates or what. Predicates, objects, and maybe compound clause.
That's right, very good. But when you look at the placement of the subject, the linking verb, and the predicate, where can we see the linking verb? Is it in the At the beginning of the sentence, the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence?
It's the middle.
It is at the
Middle.
beginning, middle, or end? Where can you find the linking verb?
It's in the middle.
Okay, look at this. Middle. Very good. So remember, when we look at the sentences, we can easily spot the subject. The subject always is being placed in front of the sentence. The predicate is always at the end of the sentence. And the linking verb is between the subject and the predicate. Okay? Because it serves as the connection between the subject and the verb. I mean, it serves as the connection between the subject and the predicate, or it serves as the equal sign between the subject and the verb. Okay? Okay, look at this. Another example. It seemed like a good idea at the time. It seemed like a good idea at the time. So if you look at it, if I'm not yet familiar with the different sentence that involve subject, predicate, as well as linking verb, I may find it difficult to determine what is the subject, right? What is the subject? Remember, a subject can be a noun or a pronoun. The word it is actually a pronoun. The word it is actually a pronoun. So this is considered as our subject. And then the predicate, take note, last time I was able to tell you that the predicate actually is, it comes after the predicate is actually a verb, and the rest of the word which comes after the subject. Remember, I told you that one last time. So look at this. So it is actually our subject because it is a pronoun and that serves as our subject. And then like a good idea at the time is our predicate. And then seemed is our linking verb. Seemed is actually one of those that belongs to the senses. The examples of senses that I was able to introduce to you earlier, right? So the verb seemed links a noun in the predicate with the subject, right? Links a noun in the predicate with the subject. So it is between the subject and the predicate. And then again, the linking verb can be found between the subject and the predicate, or it serves as an equal sign between the subject and the predicate. Okay, question. Do you have some questions? You have some questions? Okay, nobody answers. So I guess you do not have questions. Okay, look at this. So subject versus predicate. You are always talking about subject and predicate. But maybe you forget about the subject and the predicate when we talk about the subject-verb agreement, right? So we are going back to the subject and the predicate. So you will also recall what was our previous lesson regarding the subject-verb agreement. So based on the slide, the subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence is about. Okay? In the sentence, the cat is sleeping in the sun. So the word cat is our subject because it answers who or whom or what in the sentence, right? It is all about the cat. So a predicate, likewise, a predicate is the part of a sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Take note, when you talk about the predicate includes the verb. The predicate includes the verb. So let's take the same sentence from before. The cat is sleeping in the sun. So when you look at this, the clause is sleeping in the sun is the predicate. I told you earlier, the predicate is actually the word after, together with the verb. It is actually after the subject. So it is dictating what the cat is doing. Okay, what the cat is doing. And then we all know that what the word is our helping verb. Okay, it is our helping verb. Okay, question. How can you tell the difference between a subject and a predicate? How can you tell the difference between a subject and a predicate? So the answer is, one way to remember the difference between the two is that the subject will be a noun or pronoun. Take note. We will be able to determine the subject and the with the predicate because the subject is actually, or it will always be a noun or a pronoun, wherein the predicate will contain a verb in addition to possible modifier. Right? So the verb as well as the rest of the words is actually the predicate. So the noun or the pronoun in the sentence serves as our subject. Serves as our subject. Okay. So we are still talking about the action verb and the linking verbs. Okay, look at this. So there is this worksheet with which I actually got from the internet. So it is actually being taken from the internet. You may as well look at this. You can, if you are not, if you were not able to grab this one, you can look at the internet. Okay. So there is this worksheet. The instruction is underline the verb in each sentence. Write A for an action verb and L for a linking verb. Okay, look at this. Example number 1. Listen carefully. Example number 1. Your boots are dirty. I mean, your boots are dirty from your walk. Your boots are dirty from your walk. So if you look at this, the verb in the sentence is actually the word are, and it is actually considered as a linking verb. That is why I placed L before the number, or I write L before the number. Okay, how about number 2? Who would like to answer number 2? Who would like to answer number 2? They climbed the tree easily. They climbed the tree easily. Rehana, what is our answer? Is it A for an action verb or L for a linking verb?
A for an action word.
What is your answer?
A.
Is it A for an action verb or L for a linking verb? Simply
A.
answer whether L or A. Again,
A.
I will try to read this one. They climbed the tree easily. So what should be your answer?
A for
Rehana,
an action word verb.
A or L?
A.
What do you think? Who would like to help Rehana? Josephine, how about Josephine? What will be our answer?
The answer
What will be
is
our
A for
answer?
action word.
They climbed the tree easily. Is it an action verb or a linking verb?
Linking.
By the way, what
Action
is
verb
the verb
means
that you can see in the sentence? Huh? Rosemary.
Linking verb means.
I cannot hear Rosemary. Can you try to turn on your volume or make your volume loud? Okay, how about Catherine? How about Catherine? I cannot hear Rosemary. How about Catherine? What is your answer, Catherine?
Action verb.
Is it A for an action verb or L for a linking verb? They climbed the
A.
tree easily.
A for
What
action
will
verb.
be your answer?
A for action verb.
Huh?
A for action verb.
I cannot hear Catherine as well. Can you try to talk? Anyone?
A,
Are you
ma'am.
all talking? I cannot hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Miss, I can hear them.
I will try
They
to
say
speak
A.
up.
They say they.
Okay, hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Miss.
Hi. Ah, okay, that's right. Okay, who would like to answer? Catherine, are you ready? I can hear you now. They climb the tree easily. Simply choose between A and L. What will be your answer? Is it A for action verb or L for linking verb? By the way, before you answer, you must identify first the verb. What is the verb in the sentence? What is the
Climb.
climb? Very good. So what should it be? Is it an action verb or a linking verb?
A for
Action
an
verb.
action
Action
verb.
verb.
Very good. It is A for action verb. Very good, Catherine. Number three. The lesson seemed easy. The lesson seemed easy. Who would like to know or to identify the verb in the sentence? The lesson seemed easy. You may raise your hand. The lesson seemed easy. Inda. Very good, Inda. What is our verb?
Is linking verb.
Huh? Okay, what is sim? Is it action verb or linking verb?
Linking verb.
Very good. Okay, very good, Inda. Next, number 4. Franklin rode his bike to my house. Okay, Catherine, what is the verb? What is the verb? Rode. What is rode? Is it an action verb or a linking verb?
Action verb.
Action verb. Very good, Catherine. Okay, number 5. The meal is now too cold. The meal is now too cold. What is the verb in the sentence? What is the verb in the sentence? You can raise your hand.
Is.
Is. What is? Action verb or linking
Linking
verb?
verb.
Linking verb. Very good. Next. Yes. The man rested his head on his pillow. The man rested his head on his pillow. What is our verb in the sentence?
Rested.
Rested.
Rested. What is rested? Is it action verb or linking
Action
verb?
verb.
Action verb.
Action verb.
Next, number 7. The new recipe tastes funny. The new recipe tastes funny. What is our verb in the sentence?
Taste.
Taste. What is taste? Is it
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
oh, very good. Number 8. Most Saturdays, we clean the house. Most Saturdays, we clean.
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 Good. What is clean? Is it action verb or linking verb?
Action verb. Action verb.
Action verb. Wow. Okay, next. Number 9. The sheets were clean and fresh. The sheets were clean and fresh. What is our verb in the sentence?
Where.
Where. What is where? Is it linking verb or action verb?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Action verb.
Verb. Very good. Number 10.
Miss.
Marty and his
Teacher.
friend
Teacher.
play hockey. Marty and
Teacher.
yes,
Teacher.
very good. It is play.
Play.
What is play? Is it action verb or linking verb?
Action verb.
Verb. Wow. Next. This dress looks amazing on you.
Looks.
Looks amazing.
Looks.
Looks. What is looks? Action verb or
Linking
verb?
verb. Linking verb.
Verb. Very good. After supper, finish your homework. After supper, finish your homework. What is the verb? Finish.
Finish.
What is finish? Action or linking?
Linking verb.
Action verb.
verb. Okay. The boy looks sad. The
Looks.
boy
Looks.
sad. What is the
Looks.
verb?
Looks.
Looks. What is look? Is it action verb or linking verb?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Next. Broccoli is not my favorite vegetable. Broccoli is not my favorite vegetable. What is our verb in the sentence?
Yes.
Yes. What is it? Linking verb or action verb?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Very good. The students walk slowly to the gym. The students walk slowly to the gym.
Action verb.
What is the verb first?
Action
verb.
What is the verb first?
Walk.
Walk. And it is?
Action verb.
Very good. Action verb. Next.
verb.
The bus driver stopped the bus in front. The bus driver stopped the bus in front of my house. Okay, what is the verb in the sentence?
Stop.
What is, huh?
Stop.
Stopped.
What is action verb or
Stop.
linking verb?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Verb. Very good. Number 17. Dad brought the groceries into the kitchen. Dad brought the groceries into the kitchen.
Recently.
What is the verb first? What is the verb?
Broke.
Broke.
What is brought? Is it linking verb or action verb?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Verb. Okay, look at this.
verb.
Yes, very good. Very good. The players were exhausted after the game. The players were exhausted after the game.
Where?
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 What is where? Is it
Action verb.
Linking verb.
verb? What? Okay, next. The man put his keys in his pocket. The man put his keys in his pocket. What is our verb? What is your verb?
What?
The man, huh? What is your verb? The man put his keys in his pocket.
Put.
Put.
Put. What is put? Linking or action?
Action verb.
Linking verb.
The snow covered the ground. The snow covered the ground. What is the verb?
Covered.
Covered. What is
Covered.
action verb or
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
The snow covered the ground. Is it linking verb?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Action verb.
Okay. Some people are allergic to peanuts. Some
R.
people
R.
are. What is R?
Linking
verb.
Linking verb.
Linking
So we will simply finish this one. And then we will try to move. Where are we now? The cat was asleep on the recliner. The cat was asleep on the recliner.
Action verb.
Was.
Action verb. There's
Is it
asleep.
action verb? What is the
Yes.
verb first? What is the
Asleep.
Verb.
Sleep.
Is it
Was.
asleep?
Was.
Was.
Linking
So what
verb.
is was? Is it linking or action?
Action. Action verb.
verb.
Again.
verb.
The cat was asleep on the recliner. If I am going to remove was,
cat
do you
was
Linking
asleep.
verb.
Linking verb.
linking verb. Okay, next. My friend and I went to the mall. My friend and I went to the mall.
When.
When?
When.
What is when? Action linking.
Action
verb.
Verb. Okay. My uncle drives a minivan. My uncle
Drives.
a minivan.
Drive.
Is it
Drive. Action verb.
Action
verb.
verb.
Your dad works in an office. Your dad works in an office.
Works.
What is work? Action verb or linking verb?
Action verb.
Action
verb.
This room is too warm. This
Is.
room is too
Is.
warm. Is. What is
Link-
this?
Linking verb.
Verb.
Linking verb. My shirt is too small for me now. My shirt is too small for me now.
Linking verb. Is.
Linking verb is. Very good. Elephants and lions roam the African savanna.
And
Elephants
linking verb.
Linking verbs.
First, elephants and lions roam the African savanna. What is the verb in the sentence?
Oreo. Using the Oreo.
Roam.
Roam. It is roam. What is roam? Is it linking verb or action verb?
Action verb.
Action verb.
Very good. So be careful. Listen to, look at the sentence, try to analyze the sentence, and you want to identify whether it is a linking verb or an action verb, try to omit the said word, the verb. And then, for example, like this. Some people are allergic to peanuts. If I am going to remove the linking verb are in the sentence, some people is equals to allergic to peanuts. Does that still make sense? It does, right? So that means you are using an action, I mean a linking verb. Same with the cat was asleep on the recliner. If I am going to remove the linking verb was, the cat is equals asleep on the recliner. So therefore, the verb is actually was and it is linking verb. Okay. So there are different types of verbs. We know that one because we know that the different types of verbs are action verb, linking verb, and helping verb, right? The three verbs are some shows action and some don't. Linking verbs and helping verbs doesn't show an action. It doesn't show an action. So an action verb again shows an action. It tells what the subject of does. Okay. Action verb. Examples of action verbs.
Wait, please. Can you please go to 18, slide 18?
18, this one.
Yes, I need to screenshot.
Oh, okay. So we will extend our time because I got disconnected earlier, right? Okay, so is it okay now to proceed, Mark?
No. My screen share is still loading.
Oh, okay. Just tell me if you want to proceed, okay? But anyway, while you are trying to copy or to screenshot whichever, I will have to tell what are the examples. So the examples of action verbs are Bill hit the ball, the cat purred softly, I walked to school, Susan spoke to me. So if you look at this, you can see that the verbs actually is in color green. It is actually color green. So what are the action verbs? That is actually or those
You can
are
also go to the next slide.
okay. The verbs are those written in color green. What are the verbs? Eat, heard, walk, and spoke. So these are all action verbs. Again, these are all action verbs. And then this one. So it's just the same with this one. It was the action verb is being defined as well as there are several examples. And then another is the linking verb. What is the linking verb? A linking verb links or connects the subject to the predicate. It does not show an action. So it does not show an action. It simply connects or links the subject to the predicate. So what are the common linking verbs? The verbs to be, which are the am, is, are, was, were, be, been. Seems, which belongs to the tenses of the verb as well the feels, tastes, touch, hear, look. So those are the common linking verbs. So there are two common linking verbs. Those are the verbs to be as well as the verbs which contains the 5 senses. So what are those? Feel, taste, touch, hear, and then what else? So those are the 5 senses. And then linking verbs is defined as, I mean the examples of linking verbs are, we are hungry. Look at those words which were colored in red. Okay, by the way, I may ask first, I will like to stop. Is Nancy here already? Is Nancy here already? Not yet? He's not here yet. Do you have a class after my class? Do you still have? No, you do not have a class after my class? Okay, so we will continue. I thought maybe Nonti is here and I am using her time. Okay? Okay, look at this. So look at those words which are being, okay? Look at those verbs which are the words which are being colored as the color red. So we are hungry. He was late to school. The winner is Johnny. So look at this. What are the linking verbs? Are, was, and is. So those are the linking verbs. It is the color red. The words which are colored red. Look at this. This is how linking verbs works. This is how linking verb works. So look at this. For the example sentence, the stew tasted good. So the first part of the sentence is our subject. Earlier, Mark was able to identify as well as to give the reason how we are going to determine the verb the subject from the predicate, right? I still remember that one. So the stew tasted good. So if you look at this, the subject comes first. Tasted is our linking verb, which is between the subject and the predicate. And look at this. Good is our predicate actually. This is specifically a subject complement. Okay? This is actually a subject complement. Okay. So that is how linking verb works. Okay, so there are still some examples of a linking verb. So this is not just between am, is, are, was, were, and being. It includes being, shall be, will be, should be, would be, could be, and can be. Also has been, have been, had been, shall have been, will have been, should have been, would have been, could have been. Okay, look at that. So those are still considered as linking verbs. So another two common linking verbs are become and seem. Become and seem. So these are the examples. Look at this. So there are different examples which shows how we use the different linking verbs. Okay? I hope you can see this one. Okay? I hope you can see this one as well as you can read the examples. Can you see the slide, by the way? Maybe I will try to make it bigger. Okay, his name is James. We all know that the colored red word is actually the linking verb. Oops. That is actually the linking verb. And then what else? Andy could have been a dentist. So could have been is another linking verb. The soup smells good. Remember the senses? The 5 senses? It includes smells. So smells is still considered as linking verb. And then the light remained green. The light remained green. If you are not sure about that one, try to remove the linking verb and see if the sentence still makes sense. If it still makes sense, therefore, it is actually, the word used is actually serves as a linking verb. So another example are the verbs which can also be used as an action verb. So appear, feel, okay, appear, feel, grow, look, remain, smell, sound, stay, taste, turn, and prove are actually action verbs, but still can be used as a linking verb. Okay, this one. This is what I am telling you all about. How can we tell when a verb is an action verb or a linking verb? The answer is, if we can substitute the verb with his or and the sentence still sounds logical, then it is a linking verb. Then it is a linking verb. So the examples, previous example, the stew tasted good. So we are simply going to replace the verbs tasted with a linking verb is. For example, it will be changed to the stew is good. It is still still makes sense. Therefore, the word or the verb tasted is considered as a linking verb. Okay? It is considered as a linking verb. And then another example. Paul tasted the stew. Paul tasted the stew. I am going to try to replace the verb tasted and see if it is being used as a linking verb or as an action verb. So instead of Paul tasted the stew, I may say Paul is the stew. Do you think that makes sense? Do you think that makes sense? Paul is the stew. Is it possible that Paul is the stew? So it doesn't make sense. Therefore, the verb tasted in the sentence is used as an action verb. Okay, it used as an action verb. Okay, so still there are these different examples. So we were able to study the different examples earlier, right? Okay, now we will proceed with the helping verbs. So what is helping verb? Who would like to read? What is helping verb? Who would like to read the slide? Anyone? Anyone would like to read the slide?
Miss Amira?
Yes, Inda. Okay, I'm going
Miss
to stop.
Amira?
Yes.
I think this is overtime. It is 6:30 Indonesia time.
Okay, so you would like to end the class now? You're still going to do something? Okay, so by that, I may say goodbye now because I guess you need to eat your dinner first, right? You are still going to eat your dinner. Therefore, I will stop recording first and then we will